This tree could end the desertification crisis, but nobody's talking about it. UN leaders are meeting right now about desertification, but they're missing the tree that's already turning the Sahara green and making millions. Everyone thinks you need massive government programs and decades to fight deserts. That's wrong. Private investors are already scaling desert restoration that pays for itself in 3 to 5 years. While politicians debate, this tree is generating $200,000 per hectare in the world's harshest deserts. Behind-the-scenes lesson, real business intel. Here's what I learned visiting these projects. The Gobi Desert breakthrough wasn't about finding the right tree. It was about finding the right business model. The real strategy: plant once, harvest 7 times. Coppicing eliminates replanting costs. Stack 7 revenue streams: timber, biochar, carbon credits, honey, intercropping, biomass energy, medicinal compounds, use sterile hybrids, no invasion risk. Forward sell biochar through offtake agreements. The numbers that matter: 113 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat tolerance, 9-foot taproots. Access, deep groundwater. 90-day regrowth after harvest. 1,000 liters of water in year 1, then drought tolerant. Visual, cross-section, showing taproot, coppice regrowth, time-lapse. Revenue stream wheel, 7 harvests. 7 revenue streams. 90-day regrowth. The systematic approach. The desert restoration framework that's actually working. Step 1, site selection. Target degraded land that doesn't compete with food production, semi-arid zones with groundwater access. Step 2, economic design. Build 5,000 to 10,000 hectare resilience belts with multiple revenue streams from day 1. Step 3, risk mitigation. Use satellite monitoring, IoT sensors, and blockchain verification. Forward contracts eliminate market risk. Step 4, scale through coppicing. Each harvest funds the next expansion. Exponential growth without exponential capital. The breakthrough insight. Traditional thinking: plant, wait 50 years, maybe profit. Paulownia reality: plant, profit in 5 years, regrow, repeat 7 times. Transformation. Promise. This changes everything about climate investing. Instead of waiting decades for returns, competing with food production, hoping trees survive single-use plantations, you get 3 to 5 year payback periods, marginal land utilization, 90% survival rates in harsh conditions, permanent forest infrastructure. The market opportunity: 2 billion hectares of degraded land globally. Even 1% adoption equals $50 to $200 billion market with 1 to 2 billion tons CO2 removal annually. Now it's your turn. While politicians debate, builders are planting. Desert restoration with Paulownia isn't just necessary, it's the most profitable climate solution I've seen. If you're evaluating climate investments or need verified carbon removal, this is your competitive advantage. Don't just offset carbon, own the solution. Visit bioeconomysolutions.com and schedule your confidential briefing today.